In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money on Polymarket. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up a web browser and head on over to Polymarket. From here, make sure to sign into your account. Now, once you've signed into your account, you'll notice on the top of the page here, it's got a big blue deposit button. Go ahead and click onto that. Now, there's a few different ways how we can deposit crypto. So it will say deposit from. Under that, we've got a drop down thing. So we've got transfer crypto, we've got connect exchange, or deposit with cash. So you can use all three of these. So now if we want to go ahead and transfer crypto, which is no limit and instant, click onto that. And now below that will say supported token, USDC, and supported chains Polygon. So we can change this if we want. If we want to use DAI, USDT, ETH, Wealth, Pol, etc. And supported chain. Also, we can change this as well. But for this demonstration, if I want to support USDC with supported chain Polygon, I want to copy this address. And it will say here minimum deposit of $20. So go to your Phantom wallet, MetaMask wallet, and then just put in that address and transfer over anything over $20. Now, if we want to do deposit from, say, deposit with cash, it's going to take up to 5 minutes, and then you do this using MoonPay. So it's going to say loading your gateway to Web3, so you give that a few moments to load. Then it'll say here the amount you want to buy, so we can change this. If we want to do, say, 300, I can change that. We'll say minimum order is $35 too, so we can do a minimum order of $35. Then from here, it will say buy USDC coin. So I'm going to keep that as it is, and it's going to say continue. And now we need to sign in with MoonPay. So put in your MoonPay email address. If you don't have an account with MoonPay, you need to set one up and then come back to here and then continue on with your purchasing of USDC. Then from there, that's going to deposit into your Polymarket account.